Hey friends, please subscribe my that YouTube channel and must be press bell icon button for getting new video update only for you at first very soon. Hello friends, I am here with a new video in my that YouTube channel. Today I am here to explain elaborately about WhatsApp new features. Basically it is dependent on payment. So it has been already published WhatsApp new payment features throughout R.B.I. So what is it, and especially what they want to explain with that feature, I must be elaborately expressed here. So don't waste your time, just come with me. Have a look see. Okay guys, I have come back here again. So I am going to instruct about WhatsApp new policy for payment throughout R.B.I. Meanwhile, Reserve Bank of India has reported that new R.B.I policy for online payment, mainly some safe online payment application, will be coming very soon. Yeah, they are doing basically to restore the data within India. In the meanwhile, WhatsApp application, we all know about it more or less. A famous messaging platform has already been announcing that a new system has produced in WhatsApp payment platform very soon to restore payment data in India to catch up a new economical stage in India. Yeah, it is also a part of R.B.I new policy to comply their rules. Many more applications like MOBIKWIK, PAYTM, and also you can say PHONEPE have already come under the R.B.I payment policy. What is more important here that we have to wait when it will be available here. Yeah, okay mates, that's all for today. I hope you have loved that video, so subscribe and press the like button and give your like comment.